Hi everyone, today I am going to explain about the number line. That is lesson which is belonging grade 6 5th lesson. Okay, grade 6 5th lesson, number line. Number line, 5th lesson. Before the explanation, you have to know about the some words. Okay, here ascending order. Then next one, descending order. Okay, ascending order, descending order. Positive, think positive number. Then next one, negative numbers. Next one, integers. Okay, here write down the meaning of these words in Sinhala. Ascending means arohana. Okay, next time avarohana. Positive number, positive dana sankhya. Negative numbers, rina sankhya. Integers, purna sankhya. Okay, here this is the words. Okay, remaining some words, write down this, push the video and write down this. Next one, towards. Okay, small or less than, greater or bigger than. Okay, next one, as well as we can say larger than, smaller than, less than, greater than, bigger than, larger than. Okay, here as well as equal. Okay, this one, what is the meaning of towards? දෙසට කියන්නේ එදිහාවට කියන්නේ. smaller, less than කියලා කියන්නේ මොකද? කුඩායි. Greater, bigger than, larger than. What is the meaning of this? විශාලයි. නැත්තම් මොකද්ද? ලොකුයි කියන එක. equal කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? අපි දන්නවා සමානයි කියන එක. Okay, write down these words. Push the video. Okay, now I am going to next part. Push the video and write down these words. It is essential thing. Okay. 5.1. Marking wall numbers in a number line. Marking wall numbers in a number line. What is the meaning of number line in single meaning? Sankhya Rekha. Now I am going to explain how to create a number line. Very firstly, you have to draw a straight line using ruler. Okay, using ruler. Straight line using ruler. Then what is the next step? Mark some points, leaving gaps, as well as these gaps are equal. Okay, remember that these gaps are equal in each. Okay, now I am going to mark the points 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here put this arrow head. Okay, very firstly draw a straight line using ruler and mark the points. Keeping several gaps that's in each equal, as well as then mark the points 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the beginning of the number line. Okay, now I am going to mark the points. I have to mark 1, 3, 4 on the number line. I have to mark. Now I have to mark these points on the number line. This is a number line. 1. This is a 1. 3, 5. Now I can mark. This is 1. This is 3. This is 5. They are telling mark the points 0, 2. How to mark? This is 0 point. This is 2. As well as 4. How to mark? This is 4. This is the very basic idea. I will explain. This is the basic idea how marking whole numbers in a number line. Okay, now I am going to explain. Push the video and draw this, create the number line, as well as put examples and mark the points. And now I am going to next part. Okay, I think you can understand. Okay, Five point 2. What? Negative numbers. Okay, on the number line. Negative numbers on the number line. Okay, here how to mark? What is the first step? Draw a straight line. and put arrowheads towards. This is your right hand, this is your left hand. Now towards right hand, right hand. What? Positive numbers. Okay, positive. I explain. Towards this is the right hand, your right hand. Now towards what? Towards left hand side, towards left hand side, towards left hand side. What? Negative numbers. This is the idea. Towards right hand side, positive. Towards left hand side, negative. Then now I am going to mark the points. 0. Okay, 0. Towards right hand side plus, towards left hand side minus. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What? 1, 0 to 0 to. This is the beginning point. Okay. This is the beginning line. Towards these, what? From beginning line to right hand side, positive. Left hand side, negative. You have to remember this, very easy. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all positive. Left hand side, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, 3, minus 3, 4, minus 4. And also you can use the brackets. Towards right hand side, positive numbers. Towards left hand side, negative numbers. That is the theory. Think. Now example. Mark the points. Mark the points. Minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 1. 3. 4. Plus 3 plus 4. How to mark? Very easy. Minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 3. Minus 1. Minus 1. Plus 3. Plus 3. Plus 4. Towards right hand side. What? Towards right hand side. In your right hand side, left hand side. Positive numbers, negative numbers. That is the idea. Very easy. Remember like that. Minus 3, minus 1, plus 3, plus 4. And how to mark? This is the idea. Okay. As well as now I am going to denote these points. Think A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Okay. Remember this one. As well as draw the number line, mark the points, write down this all, push the video. Now I am going next step. Okay, next chapter. Okay. Next up. See 5.3 comparison of what? Integers. Okay. Now what is this? What is this? Now I am going to offer a word for this mark. This is equal. This is equal. Okay. For this one, how about this? Do you know about this? Okay. This one we can write down using by words. How? Smaller side. This is larger or bigger or less. How about these? Now what happened? Now this side larger, bigger, as well as we can say what? Greatest side. For this smaller side, less side. Okay. Smaller. This side larger side. Smaller, larger. Okay. Smaller, larger. Okay. Try to understand. Okay. Very easy thing. Try to remember this. Like this thing. Smaller, this side large. Okay. We are telling for these signs. What is the name? Inequality. What? Signs. Inequality signs. This is the name. In this side, larger, bigger, greatest. This side, smaller, less. According to this sign, this side, what? Smaller, less. This side, bigger, largest, or greatest. Okay. This is the idea. This is the basic idea I will explain. Okay. Write down this, push the video. Now I am going to go next step. Okay, push the video, write down this all. Okay. Okay, now I am going to compare the numbers using that inequality signs. Okay, how? Think 20, 10, 8, 4, 1, 2. How to put that inequality signs? Okay. I will explain. 10, 10. How to put the sign? 10 equal 10. Why? In this side equal to this side. But this side, what happened? This side, what? Larger, greatest or bigger. This side is smaller. Then what happened? How to put an inaccurate sign? Like this. Why? Smaller, greater. According to this one, how to put? This is greatest value. This is smallest value. How to put? How about this? How to put? This is smaller. This is largest or bigger or greatest. Okay, how to put? This towards this side as well as this side. How to write down? How to put? Very easy. Largest value or greater or bigger. For this side is smaller or less value. As well as we can write down like this. For this side, largest, biggest, greatest value. Okay, largest, biggest or greatest value. For this side, smallest or less value. That is the thing. You have to understand. Think how to put this. -4 plus 3. -4 minus 2. Now what happened? How to find out? Remember the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. -1, -2, -3. Okay, -3. And think, mark the point. -4, -4 plus 3 plus 3. Okay, -4 -2 I told you towards this side, towards this right hand side, positive as well as what? Greatest towards this side, negative as well as smallest. According to this, how to put the inequality sign? -4 is smaller than the +3 value. How to put? Like this. Now +3 is greatest. What happened? How about this? -4 -2. -4 -2. I told you for this side. For according to this, okay? Towards this side. This is my left hand side. Negative as well as smallest. Therefore, -2 is greatest value against to -4. -4 is now smallest. -2 is the largest value. Why? Towards this side, positive as well as greatest. Positive towards, since the beginning line, okay? But greatest value is towards right hand. Towards left hand, the smallest value. Okay? You have to understand. Okay? Very easy thing. Okay. Write down this, okay? Pause the video and write down. Next one. Okay, I will explain again that part. Think 20 minus 10. Remember the number line. What happened? Minus 10 minus 10 minus 10 minus 10 is smallest. 20 plus 20 positive. Then how to write down? How to write down using words? 20 is larger, bigger, or greatest than minus 10. As well as we can write down, this is first one. Minus 10 is smaller, less than what? 20. Is larger, bigger, or greatest than minus 10. Greater. This one greater. Bigger, larger, smaller, less than 20, like this. Minus 10 is smaller or less than 20. Write down this also. Stop it or push the video and write down. Okay. Comparison of integers. Describe further. Next one. Okay, now you have to remember. Okay, I explained in the beginning of this lesson. I explained some words. Ascending order, ascending order, ascending order. Then descending order. What? Okay, we can write down these. So this one and this one. This is the first one. So second one. Since is smaller or less value to greatest or bigger or greatest bigger value. Okay, greatest bigger value. Since is smaller less value, smaller or less value to greatest value, greatest bigger value. Okay, greatest or bigger value. කියන්නේ කුඩා අගේ ඉඳලා කුඩා අගේ සිට විශාල අගය දක්වා. Next one. Since how greatest නැත්නම් විශාල value to smaller value. This is the idea. Example for first term. 3, 4, 5, 6 towards this side. Second one, descending order. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6 for this side. Okay, can you understand? අඩු එකේ ඉඳන් වැඩි එකේ ඉඳන් අඩු එකේ. That is the thing. Push the video and write down these theories. Okay. Now, pair of integer. Okay, all integers that lie between those integers. Pair of integer. All integers that lie between those integers. මොකද මේ කියන්නේ මොකක් හරි integer පූර්ණ සංඛ්‍යා යුගලයක් කියලා. All integers, all mean positive, negative integers. Positive or negative integers. Okay. ධන හෝ ඍණ පූර්ණ සංඛ්‍යා that lie between those integers. Think -4 and -7 and -1. What? -6, -5, -4, -3, -2. That's the negative integers. Those are all negative integers. Think -6 and +3. How? -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0 belonging. Okay. Now 0 is not a positive or negative integer. Okay, remember that. -1, 1, 2. That's it. Put a note. 0, not a positive negative integer. Zero is not a positive or negative integer. Okay, remember that. බිඳුව කියන්නේ ධන හෝ ඍණ පූර්ණ සංඛ්‍යාව නෙවෙයි. බිඳුව මෙතනට ඇති වෙන්නේ නැහැ. නමුත් නම්බර් ලයින් එක අපි අනිවාර්යෙන් අඳින්න ඕනේ. හේතුව that is the beginning point. Okay, තමයි ආරම්භක ලක්ෂ්‍යය. එතන ඉඳන් තමයි towards right hand but left hand positive numbers, negative numbers. You have to remember that. Very easy lesson. As well as you have to remember inequalities. Okay, inequalities, less than, smaller than, ascending order, descending order. We have to remember that. Okay, I explained well. I think you can understand about the lesson well. If you have any doubt or questions, please put a comment. Okay, I will reply as well as I will explain next part. According to this lesson, I will solve in the problems. Okay, I think you can understand well. Thank you for watching.